Hey guys, so today I want to show you three exercises to help your knee pain. So this is going to be really good if you've had a ACL or a meniscus tear or aggravation of your knee, so of the cartilage or something in your knee. So we're going to go through a three-step process. So at the clinic, we work on mobilizing, stabilizing, and loading when someone comes in. So we're going to give you one exercise that's going to mobilize the tissues, one to stabilize, and one to load. So the first exercise is going to be releasing the tension in your quad. So you're gonna use a foam roller like so, and you're gonna lay down on your stomach and find a tender spot close to your knee right there. And then you're gonna bend your knee like so and come back. Hey, a lot of times this may be just enough so that you feel pressure in your quad. If you need a little bit more, shift your weight to your left a little bit more and bend your knee like so. And you're gonna find a spot close to your kneecap. Do it 10 times, nice and slow. And then roll up a little bit. Do the same thing. You're gonna find that some spots are more tender than the other. And if it's too painful to bend, you just leave it there and just breathe through it. As you leave it there, the tension will decrease and then you'll be able to bend it maybe the second day or the third day as you do this more and more, right? So let your body, listen to your body and allow the tissues to kind of relax.